Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam and today we are going to unbox the new Realme Power Bank 2. So before getting to the video, if you could leave a like and subscribe to the channel, it would be highly appreciated. So a few days ago there was an event of Realme and where they showed off their new Realme Buds Air Neo, the TV and the smartwatch and the new Power Bank 2. So the only thing that was available to order was the Realme Buds Air Neo and the Power Bank 2, and those were available on the realme.com and the Flipkart. I was really excited to check it out, so I went ahead and placed the order, and here it is. Here is the box from Flipkart. So here is the shipping packet from Flipkart, and as you can see, this is not very interesting to see, so let's just quickly unbox this. So here we have our retail packagings of the Buds Air Neo and the Power Bank 2, but we are going to unbox the Realme Power Bank 2 for this video, so let's put this aside. So here is the retail box, but first thing we need to do is take off this plastic sheet. So let's do this. Now it's good. The first thing we can see, it says 10,000 mAh with Realme Power Bank 2, and below this we can see the image of the power bank itself, how it is supposed to look. But on the sides, both of the sides, we can see it says Realme, and we have some features on the back, so let's quickly go through. 18 volts of maximum quick charge with multi-device support and low current mode for your bands or other devices which don't need that much of current, so that's good. That's a new feature I have seen in a power bank. But we also get Type-C connection for the input and output and two-way quick charge, so this is good. 12 layers of circuit protection, dual output simultaneously, which means you can charge your devices simultaneously, use both of these ports at one time. And last thing, we get high density lithium polymer batteries. But down this we can also see the MRP of the device, which is not true by any means, so we are going to skip that. But I'm really excited to check this out, so let's just quickly unbox this. So here's the power bank itself. Let's take it out. So this is a quite slim power bank, I would say, and feels very premium in the hand. We have this pattern like texture which feels really good, and on the front we have Realme. On the top we have a USB connection, USB-A output and a USB Type-C input/output, which means you can use this for both purposes. And we have LED indicators on the side which shows the battery percentage and which can be checked from here, from this little button. So that's that. But we have full review coming on this device, so let's put this aside and see what else do we have in the box. So the next thing we get is a user manual on how to use this device, but it's just a power bank, who need this? And down here we get a USB cable, so let's take it out. And this is not any regular cable, this is a 2-in-1 cable. So we have this USB-C port, and if you take this out, you get a micro USB port. So you can charge both of your devices. If you happen to have a micro USB port on your phone, you can charge from here. And if you need a USB-C connection, then you can go like this. So this is really good to see that this is included in the box. What am I doing? But that's included, and there's nothing much else in the box. But that was the unboxing of the Realme Power Bank 2. Now I'm off to testing out this thoroughly. So if there's a thing you need to know, please comment down below so I don't miss it. But that's been it, guys. That was today's unboxing. A review would be coming up shortly on the channel, so make sure you are subscribed. But that's been it, guys. Hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, just click the like button below. Share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Until then, stay safe. Bye-bye.
Right.